Welcome to the Luxembourg Christmas Market. I'm going to show you the best things to eat, drink, where to stay, tips on visiting, how to stay warm, and so much more. Executive. Ooh, there's like a little mini bar, water, DVD player. That's very nice. Oh, look at this! Oh, that looks so good.
Except they thought you were a guy.
Oh. Because only men can afford the executive suites, huh? We even got our own elevator coming up here, so I feel especially important right now. Look at the tub, you guys. Oh, they have the name on the slippers. Oh, I always get to remember this. So I had no idea what this was, but Kat said it's actually a trouser presser. And they got a safe. So apparently this just isn't a welcome plate of fruit, but you actually get fresh fruit and complimentary water here every day. That's amazing. We would like to wish you a very happy birthday and thank you for celebrating this special occasion with us. A professional team would be delighted if you would provide you with a very personal attention to your needs, hoping that it will be a pleasant stay in Luxembourg. I remain at your disposal. Aww. This is our view from Route 25, and it's very quiet in here, which is so nice. Okay, I've got to try this tea chocolate. It has like little pieces of the tea on top. Wow, that's a lot of layers of flavor. That is so good. I'm gonna leave the other half for Kat so she can try it. So this is our own private elevator. Fitness and pool and hammam. So they've got the dry sauna, the cold dip pool, and then the steam room. There are 5 different areas that you can visit at the Luxembourg Christmas Market. While I wouldn't necessarily classify this as a go shop for gifts market, it definitely is a foodie market where you can try so many different kinds of food from all over the world. So if you come to Luxembourg Christmas Market, make sure that you come a little bit earlier because it does get really crowded on the weekend. And they have these little glasses for the mulled wine and also non-alcoholic versions as well. And so it's been really great to get here a little earlier before the sun totally sets because as you can see, it's already starting to get a little bit crowded, but you can still get in line and be able to get something relatively quick. So, cheers. Make sure to check out culturetrekking.com, where you'll find a written guide to this city as well as many others around the world. Easy to navigate table of contents, and find me on social media channels at Culture Trekking. Yeah, a little pasta. Yeah. Rabbit. It's really good. It's not super strong or heavy or anything, so I really like it right now. So a typical Luxembourgish dish will have the sauerkraut with some kind of like hot dog or bratwurst, and the meats here are incredible. So they have like wild boar, they have rabbit, they've got pork. Pork is kind of more traditional. It's really good. And I'm really cold still. Turn down service. My chocolates.
Honey liquor. The same with propolis, with ginger or with chili.
Honey wine. Very strong drink, but it's doesn't burn going down. It's quite sweet. Good? It's like a pesto dumpling almost, with a bunch of ingredients in it.
And then we have a little bit snow on it.
The cream cheese and the smoked salmon, a little bit of lettuce, really good. Cat in her natural element taking photos. While we didn't get to it, I highly suggest checking out Wanterpark, that has the ice rink, as well as Nicolosmart, which has the smaller food market, a little more intimate for you, and definitely set up a workshop or catch a storytelling or puppet show at Winterkids. Merry Christmas, and make sure to check out my other videos on Vianden Castle, which is in Luxembourg, as well as the best things to see in Luxembourg. Thanks for watching. Give this a big thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.